Hey everyone, Mike here in the BFH garage. Headed off to the junkyard again. They had a 2000 TJ coming to the yard. I ran the VIN. While it doesn't have the normal things I'm looking for, such as a Dana 44 or that automatic transmission, what it does have is two hard doors. The hood looks to be in decent shape. The grill looks to be in decent shape. We'll see what happens when I get there. This one does not appear to have been in a wreck. In fact, in the pictures you'll see here in just a second, the transfer case transmission is sitting in the back of the Jeep. So I'm kind of curious to see what's all involved with this mess and see if there's anything that's salvageable there. But we won't know till we get there. Now, the nice thing about this one is the notification for it came in last night after they had closed already, or right at closing time, and it shows the available date for it as today. So I thought I'll try to get out there, be the early bird, be there as soon as they open, and see if I can't snag those hard doors that are on there. They're both in great shape. The Jeep doesn't appear to have been in a wreck, so hopefully we'll find some other surprises when I get there that are good surprises, not bad surprises, and we'll make this a successful pick. Let's go take a look. So I'm the second one here. The first person doesn't want the doors. They wanted to grab the PCM, which I would have grabbed, but that's fine. They grabbed that. I got the doors. The Jeep's in kind of rough condition. It's not in a wreck or anything like that, but everything just kind of got a little bit of rust and stuff on it, even though it's a Denver Jeep. So I grabbed the doors. The hinges are aftermarket bolts on there. They're all rusted out, so those have to come out. They definitely need some conditioning. This one's missing its handle. The whole thing is a mess. I get to this one, I'm all excited. It's got the key, and then I see the big old dent right there, and that's a no-go for me because it just costs too much money to try to fix something like that and then resell them for any type of profit. So this pick is a bust for me. I forgot to mention I was gonna grab the tailgate. It's in good condition, but broken Torx, stripped out nut before I got to him, so I'm not going to fight it to get it off. Not a big deal. So overall it had some stuff that was valuable, but just nothing for me. What a bust. You know what, this Jeep had a lot of potential. Looking into the pictures, because it wasn't in a wreck, that opens up a lot of opportunities for good parts. It just didn't work in my favor. For once, I'm finally able to get there first so I can claim the doors. Yeehaw, only to find that one dinged up pretty good, so I passed on that. Ended up with nothing. Got skunked, but sometimes that is just the way it goes. See you on the next one.